हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑन कंटेंट मॉन्स्टर्स। और आज का बहुत ही स्पेशल एपिसोड है। आज के एपिसोड में हम कर रहे हैं एक प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू और प्रोडक्ट है मैकबुक एयर। ये हाँ जी, ये नया मैकबुक एयर जो कि M1 चिप के साथ लॉन्च किया है एप्पल ने। वी फाइनली लेड आवर हैंड्स ऑन दिस ब्यूटी। वीव बीन यूजिंग इट नाउ फॉर अ डे और सो। तो देखते हैं कि ये कैसा है नया मॉडल एप्पल से। इज इट रियली वर्थ द हाइप? इज इट गुड इनफ? मेरे हिसाब से इट टिक्स ऑल द बॉक्सेस। दिस इज क्लियरली अ होल न्यू ब्रीड ऑफ मैकबुक एयर। दिस वन हैज द M1 chip from Apple instead of the Intel chip. Clearly one of the most revolutionary models to come out of Apple. अब देखते हैं इसके बॉक्स में क्या है। यह है इसका चार्जिंग ग्रिड जिसके साथ ही आता है। ये चार्जिंग वायर है और इसमें ऑफ कोर्स मैनुअल है और स्टिकर्स हैं। बहुत ही लाइट वेट मशीन है। आई हैव बीन यूजिंग द मैकबुक प्रो फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम नाउ। फॉर द लास्ट ईयर एंड हाफ हमने अराउंड 14 months बैक हमने मैकबुक प्रो खरीदा था। फेयरली हैवी डिवाइस कंपेयर टू दैट। मुझे बहुत लाइट लग रहा है। And the best part is this M1 powered MacBook Air starts at the same price as a previous Intel powered MacBook Air, which is 92,900. हमें तो ये डिस्काउंट में मिला है at around 88,000. Now this model, the one that I have in my hand, gives you 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage and the 7-core GPU version of the Apple M1 SoC. अब ये जो एयर है ये 3 कलर्स में अवेलेबल है, स्पेस ग्रे, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. दिस वन एज यू कैन obviously see is silver. This MacBook Air has around 2 USB ports on the left and a headphone jack on the right. The Type-C ports support Thunderbolt and USB 4 for high-speed data transfer, fast charging and external connections for up to a 6K display. हमने इस पे डेटा ट्रांसफर करके देखा and I must add the speed is phenomenal. This MacBook Air has the same 13.3-inch IPS display with a 2560 into 1600 resolution and 400 nits of brightness as the Retina models do have. However, Apple has added support for the DCI-P3 wide color gamut, which should give creators a lot more flexibility when color grading on projects. अब हम जो है, we are a content production house, and on many occasions we need to carry an editing machine on shoots and start editing from there itself. Now this lightweight laptop is easily portable and is powerful enough for editing on FCP and Premiere Pro and color grading as well. Now we tried editing a 4K file on Premiere Pro on this laptop, and a full HD file could be edited very easily on this. This obviously will not support high-speed gaming. उसके लिए obviously आपको Apple के ecosystem के बाहर जाना पड़ता है. But if I can edit heavy files on this, it is definitely great value for money. अब देखते हैं कि ये दिखता कैसा है. Now the best part about this MacBook Air, and the first thing you notice when you switch it on, is that this new M1 MacBook Air wakes up instantly when you open the lid. That way it's clearly faster than the MacBook Pro in waking up. Now the M1 sees only a modest increase in temperature when performing the same activities, and the palm rest area, which is the bottom, and even the area above the keyboard simply don't get warm enough to be noticeable. The fact that this laptop is able to maintain such low operating temperatures without a fan is pretty incredible. Yes, you heard me right. This machine doesn't have a fan. Very, very silent. Now, compared to the MacBook Pro, like I said earlier, it is definitely much lighter, but the M1 chip ensures that it's not too far behind in terms of performance and speed. Now, the smaller size of this machine is also not an hindrance in terms of sound quality as well. हमने इस पे कुछ सॉन्ग सुने और कुछ और म्यूजिक पीसेस प्ले किए, एंड आई मस्ट ऐड द स्पीकर्स आर ऑफ टॉप नॉच क्वालिटी. ये कीबोर्ड के साइड में जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये कटआउट है 2 स्पीकर्स का. द स्पीकर्स ऑब्वियसली आर स्मॉलर as compared to the MacBook Pro, given that it's larger in size, but in terms of output, the speakers and the sound quality is right up there. And do note, MacBook Air, this one with the M1 chip, is not an entry-level laptop, but it can actually be considered for some heavy-duty tasks as well. Apple has even managed to improve battery life while making the design completely fanless. लॉन्च के दौरान एप्पल ने क्लेम किया था कि उनकी बैटरी 18 घंटे की है, एंड वी टेस्टेड इट फॉर अ डे नाउ एंड इट pretty much lives up to that promise. And the cherry on top is that all this comes at the same price as the previous Intel based MacBook Air, जैसा कि मैंने आपको वीडियो में पहले बताया. Now for almost 95% of your requirements, however heavy duty they might be, I think this piece is good enough for you. So all in all, lightweight, great battery life, great on performance, audio quality बहुत अच्छी है, जो इनका रेटिना डिस्प्ले है, it's as good as ever, lovely colors on screen. There's not much that you feel you miss out on this. And imagine जब आपको ये मिलता है at a cost which is below 1 lakh, I think you have clearly got amazing value for money. My recommendation, as someone who's been using MacBook Pro also for the last year and a half and now has this piece, do go for it, especially those who are planning to upgrade their current MacBook Air, or even planning to buy a new MacBook Air, or trying to enter the Apple system, trying to enter the Apple ecosystem in terms of laptops for the first time. You can go for this. This will give you clearly everything that you would expect from a good machine. And like I said, we have heavy duty editing requirements, और जो भी मैंने देखा है अब तक इसमें edit करके top notch. So all in all, my rating for this machine is a clear 9.5 out of 10. I would clearly urge you guys to go for it. I hope आपको हमारा review helpful लगा. I've not gone a lot into technicalities. I've pretty much mentioned what a layman would want to look at a good machine, especially if you're wanting to take something from Apple and which is value for money and which will last you long. Clearly, machine आपकी 4-5 साल आराम से चलेगी. You won't feel the need to change this. And from that perspective, I think this is a must buy. So do let us know what you feel of our review, and please do share your comments in terms of what you feel about this new machine, what you've heard about this new machines, any queries that you might have in the comment section below. And I hope you liked our videos. Do subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and we'll continue to keep coming to you with some interesting product reviews and lots more. See you soon. Thank you.